Today, we are diving into something super cool and a little bit technical, changing the boot logo in Windows 10 or 11. That's right, we are going to customize the logo that appears when your computer starts up. Whether you want to add a personal touch or just show off your tech skills, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First, we need to check whether your system uses UEFI or legacy BIOS. To do this, press Windows plus R, type msinfo32 and hit enter. Look for the BIOS mode entry. If it says UEFI, you are good to go. If it says legacy, this method won't work for you. Next, we'll prepare your custom boot logo. We'll use the built-in Paint app in Windows to create a properly formatted boot logo. Open the Paint app. You'll see a blank canvas. Before we start, it is important to note that the ideal size of the boot logo depends on your screen resolution. The logo should match the native resolution of your display to avoid any distortion. For example, I have a full HD screen, so I'll resize the canvas to 1920 into 1080 pixels. Here's how to do it. Go to the Resize tab. Select Pixels. Uncheck Maintain Aspect Ratio. Enter 1920 for width and 1080 for height. Click OK. Now, we need to fill the canvas with black. Select the Fill tool from the toolbar. Choose the black color. Click anywhere on the canvas to fill it entirely with black. Next, we'll insert your custom logo. Click File, Import to Canvas, and then From a File. Select your custom logo image. I'm assuming you have already created your logo using Photoshop, GIMP, or another tool. Once the logo appears on the black background, you can resize and position it as needed. For example, I'll resize my logo to 400 into 400 pixels. Then drag it to the center of the canvas. When you are happy with the placement, save the image as a BMP picture. Name it Splash. Remember, using formats like JPEG or PNG won't work and could cause boot failures because UEFI firmware doesn't handle transparent images correctly. So a 24-bit BMP file with a black background is the safest and most reliable choice. Alright, we have our custom boot logo ready. Now, to change the Windows boot logo, we'll use a tool called HackBGRT. It's an open source tool designed specifically for UEFI systems. I'll leave the link to the GitHub page in the description below. Download the latest release. After downloading, extract the file. Now, open HackBGRT folder and locate the splash.bmp file. This is the default logo that comes with the HackBGRT tool. We are going to replace it with the new splash.bmp file that we created. So, copy your new logo file and paste it into the HackBGRT folder, replacing the existing splash.bmp file. Now, let's install HackBGRT. Right-click the setup.exe file and select Run as Administrator. The command prompt window will open. To install the tool, simply type I and press Enter. This will install HackBGRT and apply your custom boot logo. Press Enter to quit the terminal. That's it. Now restart your computer to see the new boot logo in action. If Secure Boot is enabled in your BIOS, your system may display this Verification Failed or Security Violation error screen. This is because Secure Boot is preventing the unsigned HackBGRT bootloader from running. Just select OK to enter the Key Management menu. Press Enter again. In the Key Management menu, select Enroll Hash from Disk. By enrolling the hash of the HackBGRT executable, you ensure that HackBGRT is trusted by Secure Boot. On the next screen, select the EFI system partition. This is where the HackBGRT files are located. Now, navigate through the folders. EFI, hackbgrt, grub x64.efi. Click Continue and then select Yes to confirm the enrollment. After enrolling the hash, reboot your computer. Secure boot should now allow hackbgrt to run and your custom boot logo should appear. Your new boot logo should now be displayed every time you start your computer. If you ever want to restore the default Windows boot logo, it's super easy. Just right-click the setup.exe file again and select Run as Administrator. In the terminal, type R and press Enter. This will uninstall hackbgrt and restore the original boot logo.